Hi, are you interested in learning Python, game development with Python, AI and machine learning with Python? Follow me on my social media handles at Coding Simplifier. I will be dropping every single day a 5 minutes tutorial on Python, and you can actually use your mobile phone. I will teach you how you can use your mobile phone to get started with Python programming. Alright, for Android users, let me show you how you can actually get started with your mobile phone programming in Python. If you're using Apple phone or any iOS, please drop on the comment section so that I can tell you how you can actually get started with it. And if you're using a laptop, you can also drop it in the comment section so that I can tell you how you can actually get started with it. But right now, if you're using an Android, go to your Play Store, search for Pydroid. Search for Pydroid 3. Alright, see Pydroid 3, select it and then install it. Select it, Pydroid 3, and install it. Once the Pydroid is installed, open it. And once you open it, you get to this page like this. Just click on continue. Alright, it will ask you what's your goal. Just select on learning Python. Continue. What's your your Python level? Select beginner. Continue. What types of programs are you planning to run? Just select simple terminal or web programs, graphical machine learning. Just select simple terminal. Okay, continue. So just click on continuing again, and then you'll get to this page. So now click on continue, and now it will bring out this page for you, asking you how you want to make payment. Just close it. Don't select any of this. Close it. Look at this close button here. Close it. All right. Now once you close it, you will now have your Pydroid. So now this is the Pydroid code editor right now. So here we have we can just type in now. We can type in the simplest way. We can type in the simplest statement in Python. You can just say print. All right. Hello world. Print hello world. All right, and click. If you do this, look at what I did here. Print. I opened the I opened parentheses, and inside the parentheses I also opened double quotes, and then I said hello world. So if I click on this run button now, it will run it and it will print hello world. I can also go back and say print, and I will say my name is pausing, and I am learning Python with my phone. If I click on this run button, it will print it and say my name is Paulson and I'm learning Python with my phone. Okay, so I would also want to show you another thing. There's something we call terminals. Okay, if I click on this menu icon, it can open this terminal for me. It can open interpreter. So interpreter is another thing we are still going to teach you what it means. With this interpreter, you can run some fast code. You can say 4 times 8, and if you hit enter, it will give you 32. You can say 6 plus 9. If you hit enter, it will give you 15. All right. I can say 23 minus 7. I'll hit enter. It will give me 16. So this is the interpreter. Don't worry, you're going to learn what all these things mean. I can also go back, click on this menu icon, and click on terminal. All right, but the terminal is not what we'll be talking about now. So basically, we'll be using this interface, and also sometimes we might use the interpreter. Okay, so If you find anything difficult, all right, drop it in the comment section. Tell me what you find difficult so that I can help you out, okay?